All right, y'all, this is our travel setup. That's mine, and then this is Mike's setup.
And this was the whole, we called it from the beginning, the whole NVIDIA trade got out perfectly right at the top.
Awesome. Hello, good morning from beautiful Jamaica. Today we took a lovely 60% trade on NVIDIA. And like always, guys, we're gonna show you exactly what we did. We're gonna break it down. You're gonna see us take it live, and you're gonna hear Coach Mike's voice in the background because he did a lot of talking in that one. He actually called it out and navigated all the way up. But before that, I'm gonna take you on a nice little tour of our resort where we're staying so you can see where we're at, and also to show you that you can trade from anywhere in the world. All you need is Wi-Fi and a simple strategy. And I'm gonna show you everything we did on NVIDIA. I'm gonna break it down for you step by step because you know I like to teach you. The teacher in me would not be happy if I can teach you something new. So guys, what a cool video. You're gonna be able to learn, see some beautiful scenery, and see the trade we took live. So come on with me. I'm going to show you a little bit about the resort. As promised, I'm bringing you out to our resort, and as you can see, my son and father-in-law grandpa are enjoying the lazy river. This is like literally outside the door of our hotel room. And today, like I said, we had that beautiful trade from NVIDIA, and I had a moment of like looking at my son and being appreciative of the simple fact that none of this would be able or possible if I didn't learn the simple skill of trading, right? Listen, I'm a little girl from the island of Jamaica, and to be able to make the amount of money that cost this trip, right? Half of that in a trade is literally like mind-blowing, and super grateful for the ability to actually train from anywhere, right? I was still able to make money from anywhere in the world, and that is only possible with the skill of trading. And the beauty of it is I don't do this by myself. I do it with my husband. He was the one that was able to catch the trade, and we were talking, able to catch it with other individuals in the group. So needless to say, my friends, it's just a really surreal moment to know that this whole thing was made possible because of some candlesticks, right? And learning the skill to understand what these candlesticks mean and be able to actually use them to live the life we want to live. Like, we were meant to live a life of abundance, and getting what Mike and I always say, that trading is the hack, right? It's like the hack that not a lot of us know. And the beauty of it is, my friends, is that we are making it so simple that a lot of us, you know what I mean, are able to use it and access it and live the life we want to live using it. So anywho, guys, we're going to keep going. We're going to show you more of the resort, enjoy the sun, and show you a lot more of my island. Hey y'all, so we made it to our second destination. We are at the kids side pirate shipwreck. Nolan is up there climbing with dad, and we're about to have lunch back over here at the Ocean Burger. There's another set of rooms. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy this area of the resort with Nolan. As you can tell, it's super cool, made for kids. And then after that, you're gonna be able to see and copy exactly what we were able to do on NVIDIA, but break it down completely for you so you can know exactly and do it yourself. And if you want a simple strategy you can follow, comment the word strategy down below. But once again, I'm going to break down everything for you and just copy what I did. All right? All right, y'all. Like promised, we're going to break down this awesome NVIDIA trade that we took with the group. First and foremost, I am on the 2-minute time frame. And what I want to point out first off that I do every morning is I draw my levels fresh, okay? So one of those critical levels that you should draw, or what I like to draw on my chart, is pre-market high and pre-market low. And this little orange area here is called pre-market. So before the market opens, this data gives me the information. So quickly, how to get that data, you just go here to this gear stick here and just make sure that your sessions says extended trading, not regular, okay? And if it does, just switch it, okay? And then you will get this time period here. So with that being said, on the extended or pre-market time, I want to mark the highest point during pre-market, which is literally the peak, right? And then the lowest point. So that's where I get pre-market high and pre-market low from. So with this trade, my friends, I clearly see a break of pre-market high to the upside. What does that signal for me? That signals that an uptrend, right, or a call position might be in the future, and just making sure that I'm aware of that. So we're looking for a possible call. So after we get a break of pre-market high, then we see a beautiful flag forming here. All right, so with this beautiful flag, my friends, once we get a break of this flag, my entry is here on the upside of the break of this flag here, and then my stop loss is simply on the opposite side. So we get a nice push to the ORB here, which which simply stands for opening range breakout. Once we see a push through the opening range breakout, what do we get again, my friends? A beautiful flag forming once again. So what that means, right now I'm in profit, right? The play is in my favor. And what we get when we get another opportunity like this, my friends, is we get an opportunity to add on to our position size, right? So when we're in a play that's already going in our favor, we're able to maximize that move. So with this another flag that's forming here, right? Once again, my entry is on this opposite side of the flag, right? Once we get a break of this flag, and then my stop loss is on the opposite side, okay? So what I mean when I say add on to this play or add on to my position that I'm already winning in, I am buying a new set of contracts right here at this flag, okay, at this entry. And what that does is it will balloon or it will multiply your winnings on this particular trade because of the simple fact that it's already in our favor, okay? So what I do next here in this play, we were able to take profit here at this 178.25, and take profit simply means, my friend, lower your position size, right? As you're going up or the trade is going in your favor, you want to get paid for the work you've done thus far. You want to secure some profits, all right? So we secure profits on our first position, right? Our first entry, and then we're able to continue on to the upside on this awesome play. My second profit target is here, so we're able to take profit again right here, right? At this level here. And then my final profit target, and which I get from this level here, which is an O bar B from the previous day. Look at this perfect, beautiful profit target here at the top, right? We were able to take this trade all the way to the top. This is 60% trade on NVIDIA. What a beautiful trade here, my friends. So what I want you to take away from this is that it was a simple trade, y'all, that we took all together live, and all we did was pay attention to the break of pre-market high. We took advantage of the flag formation and entry on each one of those. We were able to add on to our position as the trade went in our favor, and we made sure we took profit at different critical levels, okay? So guys, if any of this sounds foreign to you or you want to learn more, make sure you go ahead and click the link in my description down below. Super excited about this program that we're rolling out called Earn As You Learn, okay, my friends? Because the fact that we are an academy and learning is our focus, right, for your success in tradings. But guess what? During that process of learning, my friends, you have an earning potential, right? And it is literally ain't nothing else on the market like this. All right. So go ahead and click the link in the description below to get access and learn as you earn, or earn as you learn. Okay. So if you want to actually trade with me live, see my screen like this, and actually hear my thought process during the market, make sure you comment the word trade down below, or simply click the link in my description. All right, where we do trade live every day, okay? And make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video. Help me get this video to 1,000 likes. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you already know how YouTube does, all right? All right, y'all, so enjoy watching us take this actual trade live. Y'all can hear me in the chat? All right, D finally broke out this level.
I didn't catch it in the video. If it broke out in the video, I'll do this one.
And broke out the level. It's trying to stay above that pivot point and the ORB on EMD. Get up there.
Get me.
Stay up there. Come on, stay up there. Stay up there. Yeah, is 178 flat. Hims is trending up nicely. I was like, what is going on? What pre-market high and pre-market low indicator do you use on Trading View? I mark my own, Chad. I just mark my own. I just had a practice of that. So
I'm in the video still waiting on between. I didn't take any profit yet. It got up to 178, but I didn't take no profit yet, to be honest. So I'm still in with my original contracts. Watching this, play with my feelings.
Coach Mike just back here, lean back, looking at the charts.
If we get a new high, then I'm gonna get my profit back. God, Lee. This is it. This is it right now, guys.
This it?
Yeah. It's almost on my profit target. There you go.
Let's go. Let's go, NVIDIA.
Golly. Just hit profit target.